Top 5 Benefits of Using Claude for Code Reviews. Learn how Claude can transform your code review process, improving efficiency, consistency, and collaboration within your development team.
Welcome to our channel. Did you know that using AI like Claude for code reviews can reduce human error by up to 70%? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 benefits of using Claude in real-world projects. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, understanding these benefits can transform your workflow and boost your team's productivity. One of the standout benefits of using Claude is the improved consistency it brings to code reviews. Traditional reviews often suffer from individual biases and varying levels of thoroughness. With Claude, the process is standardized, ensuring that every piece of code is examined with the same level of scrutiny. This not only enhances the quality of feedback but also ensures that all developers receive consistent guidance. Imagine a world where every code review feels like it was done by your most meticulous team member, every single time. Speed is of the essence in software development, and Claude excels at accelerating code review turnaround times. By automating the initial phases of the review process, Claude provides immediate feedback on common errors and issues, allowing developers to address them swiftly. This reduces the bottlenecks typically associated with human reviews, enabling faster code submission approvals and quicker deployments. With Claude, teams can keep up with the fast-paced demands of modern software development, ensuring that deadlines are met without compromising on quality.
Humans are prone to errors, especially when dealing with complex code bases. Claude significantly reduces these errors by leveraging AI to detect issues that might be overlooked by human reviewers. From subtle bugs to logical inconsistencies, Claude's AI-powered precision ensures that every line of code is thoroughly vetted. This not only enhances the accuracy of reviews but also builds trust within the team and with stakeholders, knowing that the code has been meticulously assessed by a reliable system. Claude shifts the focus to what truly matters by prioritizing critical code issues over minor ones. In traditional reviews, it's easy to get bogged down in minor stylistic concerns, but Claude streamlines these to focus on vulnerabilities and major bugs that could impact the application's performance or security. This prioritization improves the efficiency of the review process, ensuring that significant issues are addressed promptly while minor fixes are streamlined for later resolution.
Claude not only enhances code reviews but also streamlines collaboration among developers. By providing detailed insights and documentation, Claude facilitates meaningful discussions around code improvements. It helps align team standards and ensures everyone is on the same page. This improved communication boosts collaboration, enabling teams to work more efficiently and effectively together, ultimately leading to higher quality software products. As teams and code bases grow, maintaining an efficient code review process becomes challenging. Claude addresses this by providing a scalable framework that can handle large volumes of code without compromising on quality. It supports growing teams by efficiently allocating resources and ensuring that every line of code receives the attention it needs. This scalability future-proofs your development process, allowing your team to expand and adapt without being hindered by review bottlenecks.
Maintaining coding standards is crucial for ensuring code quality and readability. Claude enforces these standards by automatically checking code against predefined guidelines, reducing inconsistencies and maintaining a high level of quality across the board. By standardizing code practices, Claude promotes best practices within your team, ensuring that all developers adhere to the same high standards, making the codebase more maintainable and scalable in the long run. The real power of Claude can be seen in its impact on actual development teams. Numerous developers have shared success stories and case studies showcasing how Claude has transformed their workflows. From significant efficiency gains to marked reductions in human error, Claude has proven its worth time and again. Teams report improved satisfaction and productivity, with many highlighting Claude as a critical component in their development processes. These real-world examples underscore the tangible benefits Claude brings to the table.
In conclusion, Claude offers a multitude of benefits that can transform your code review process, from improved consistency and reduced errors to accelerated turnaround times and enhanced collaboration. We encourage you to implement Claude in your workflows and experience these benefits firsthand. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Comment below on how you plan to use Claude or what topics you'd like us to cover next. Join us in our series as we explore more tools that can revolutionize your development process.